question from Steve just came in, and this is what I do want to talk about next before I move on. Where does zero DTE fit in all of this? Zero DTE, and for, again, those of you brand new, DTE stands for days till expiration. When a contract is first listed, if it's a weekly contract, it is listed and it may have a life cycle of 5 to 6 weeks. It's listed today and expire, well, not today, but let's say it gets listed on, well, yeah, today I think they do list, and it would expire 5 Fridays from now. A monthly contract, it might be listed now and it might expire, 2 or 3 months from now, or even longer. A LEAPS contract gets listed in September, expires 2.5 years down the road, right? But the point being is every one of those contracts do expire. And the day of expiration, the trading that occurs on the day that those contracts expire, that is what is commonly referred to as zero DTE. Now, zero DTE has existed since the day options were listed back in 1973. It is not a new concept. It's not some new strategy, but it is something that has really gripped the investing world by storm, or taken the investing world by storm. And we now see, and shame on me for not having that data handy, because I know I do have it. I just didn't pull it up. So pardon me for that. But we are seeing a significant amount of trading on the day contracts expire. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that somebody is buying or selling a contract in the morning and getting out of it in the afternoon. What it could be is somebody bought a contract 6 months ago. Now the contract is expiring, and rather than letting it expire, they are managing that position and rolling that contract, maybe buying more time, closing the position that's expiring today and rolling it into next month or next week. So zero DTE doesn't necessarily mean you're getting in and out today. It might mean you're just simply managing that position today and buying yourself some more time, for example. But there's a lot of interest in it. And again, remember, we were talking about LEAPS. I had said the longer the contract goes out, there are different pricing dynamics that go along with that longer dated option. Well, the exact same thing is true with the extremely short dated option. So if you've got an option trading and it's expiring in 2 hours, that's going to behave drastically different than an expiring option at 2 years from now. So zero DTE, not a new concept, but it is something that has gripped the investing world by storm. We've got a lot of information on our website, optionseducation.org, about it. As a matter of fact, my colleague Matt Cashman created a terrific presentation not too long ago